Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set camera setting on Android phone. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your camera. Here you scroll left and right, tap on more, and from here you tap on Pro, and from here you tap on WB and tap on top and set your camera and tap on VE and scroll up, you guys can see, and tap on top corner icon setting, and from here you tap on advanced setting, tap on this. If you want save your picture SD card, then turn on this toggle and turn on and go back, and from here you tap on video resolution, tap on this. From here you make sure that select 1080 pixel, and if you want tap on fingerprint shooting, then turn on this toggle. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.